Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Once upon a time, long ago, in a home in Medina, something exciting happened in the home of Sayyidah Fatima. Sayyidah Fatima heard a knock at the door. She opened it and was delighted to see her father, Prophet Muhammad. He greeted her by saying,
Assalamu alaikum ya Fatima.
And she replied,
Wa alaykum as-salam.
However, her father wasn't feeling well. So, Sayyidah Fatima, being a good daughter, asked Allah to help her father feel better. As he entered her home, he asked his daughter for a kisa, or a cloak, to cover himself with. Sayyidah Fatima gave her father the kisa and covered him with it. As she was covering him, she began to notice his face was shining bright like a full moon. After some time, Sayyidah Fatima's son, Imam Hassan, came in with such excitement and said,
Assalamu alaikum. What is that sweet smell? Is it my grandfather?
She replied,
Yes, he is resting underneath the kisa.
Imam Hassan then went to the kisa and greeted his grandfather.
Assalamu alaikum, Ya Rasulallah. Can I come inside the kisa with you?
His grandfather replied,
Wa alaikum assalam, my love. Yes, come under the kisa.
Then, after a while, her other son, Imam Hussein, came rushing into the room and exclaimed,
Salamu alaikum. Is that sweet perfume in the air my grandfather?
Sayyidah Fatima replied,
Yes, he is resting underneath the kisa.
Imam Hussein then went to the kisa and said,
Assalamu alaikum, Ya Rasulallah. Can I come inside the kisa with you?
The Prophet replied with kindness.
Wa alaikum assalam. Yes, please come in.
Soon after, the father of Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein, Imam Ali, walked over to his wife and said,
Assalamu alaikum ya bint Rasulallah. I smell the sweetness of my cousin and brother, the Prophet of Allah.
Sayyidah Fatima replied,
Wa alaykum as-salam ya Amir al-Mumineen. Yes, he is underneath the kisa with our two sons.
Imam Ali walked over to the kisa and said,
Assalamu alaikum ya Rasulallah. May I come under the kisa?
Wa alaikum assalam. Yes. Oh, leader after me, please come in.
Sayyidah Fatima looked over and saw that her two sons, husband and father, were all under the kisa. She then walked towards the kisa and asked her father,
Oh, my dear father, may I come in too?
The Prophet of Allah replied,
Yes, my daughter, please come in.
As soon as she entered, her father held both ends of the kisa and raised his right hand towards the heavens and said the following dua.
Oh Allah, they are the people of my family. They are very special to me. Whoever hurts them hurts me too. Whoever makes them sad makes me sad too. I don't like those people who don't like them. I love those people who love them. I am the enemy of their enemies, and I am the friend of their friends. They are a part of me, and I am a part of them. O Allah, send your most special blessings and gifts upon me and upon them, and remove all impurity from them, and keep them thoroughly pure.
In the heavens, the Almighty Allah said to His angels,
O my angels, I have created the sky, the big earth, the bright moon, the shining sun, the spinning planets, the flowing seas, the sailing ships, for the love of these 5 people lying underneath the kisa.
Angel Jibreel asked,
O Allah, who are those people under the kisa?
Allah answered,
They are Lady Fatima, her father, her husband, and her 2 sons. They are the family of Prophet Muhammad, who will tell people about my message.
Jibreel asked,
O my Lord, will you allow me to go down to earth to be the 6th person under the kisa?
Allah the Almighty said,
Yes, I allow you.
Jibreel went down and greeted them.
Assalamu alaikum. O Allah's Messenger, the Most High, Allah, sends His salams to you and said,
By my greatness, I promise that I have only created the beautiful sky, large earth, glowing moon, shining sun, spinning planets, flowing oceans, and sailing ships for your sake and for your love.
إن الله قد أوحى إليكم يقول إنما يريد الله ليذهب عنكم الرجس أهل البيت ويطهركم تطهيرا.